Oh, hello there! Oh, we're doing science!
Oh, cool, bro. What's science?
Well, the science is you got to do that. You got to have science class to do. Oh, that's a science. And you got to have stuff to do. And to beat the bottle.
Bro, I don't think you have any idea what science is, do you?
Well, the science, you got to do that.
Okay, Google. What is science?
Here's the definition of science. The intellectual and practical activity encompassing the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment.
What she says.
Stop doing that thing where you talk like Adam Sandler.
Adam Whoosy Washy?
Yeah, bro. So I'm doing this experiment. Check it out.
Gotta take the slime. So slimy. Slime.
Slime plus science? Why do I feel like this could go poorly?
Oh, the science making me thirsty. Nature's calling.
Stop talking like that, it's so annoying. Well, if bro's away, I could do some science too. Where to start? Let's see. Oopsie doozle! Oh no. Oh no! I gotta clean this up. No. Oh no, my bro's gonna be so mad at me. I'll just pick these up. Oopsie. As good as new. Oh no.
What's all that noisy? Are you doing the science without me? What you do? No. Noisy.
Who, me, what? I say stop talking like that.
I just hope you didn't get any on your skin. This is not for topical use.
Huh? Slime? Hands? No, didn't touch me. What's slime?
Oh, the science and no song? I gotta make a science song. I love science. Science is for me. I love science. It fills my soul with glee.
Oh, be quiet.
Science is for me. Science is for me. Poopsie doodle, you broke his little heart. Oh, Poopsie doodle, are you okay?
I love you.
Poopsie doodle's alive?
These guys are crazy.
I'm not feeling so good. Where's my magic mirror? There it is. Mirror, mirror on the wall, am I still the fairest of them all?
Definitely not you, Ugmo. You look like an orc.
Oh, well, that was a soft landing. Fortunately, I hit the sofa. I'm all right.
back. Bro, what happened to you? You did mess with the slime.
Come here, bro. What's wrong?
Never mix the green and the yellow slime. You should have told me.
I'm an ogre.
Stand back. Stand back.
I'm an ogre now. Yes. Hey, bro. Now that I'm an ogre, I'm super strong. Watch this.
I have an idea. I can fix you with science. Green, yellow. I know. We need red and blue slime to counteract the green and yellow slime. It all makes sense. I'm gonna fix ya. Yeah! Awesome! And we need some of this. Don't try this at home. I'm a professional sciencer. That should do it. Hey, bro! Drink this! It's gonna fix you good!
Fix me? But I love being an ogre.
Yeah, even though you're an ogre, you're still my bro. And all creatures are wonderful.
Yeah, bro. Now let's play some Fortnite.
Actually, I have a better idea. Let's start a rock band.